Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning. Going to see anywhere from mostly cloudy to cloudy conditions once we move into the afternoon hours. Today we'll see some clouds around 6,000 to 8,000 feet really built in for the afternoon hours, and that's going to give us those more cloudy conditions. We'll see a weather system starting to move in tonight. It's going to give us a chance of some rainfall, a slight chance of a few sleet pellets or snowflakes mixed in at the very start of the event, but we'll just see plain rain for the overnight hours. Once we move into Thursday, you're going to see colder air build in the region and a transition from rain to wintry mix to snow by Thursday evening, with a light accumulation most likely for our Thursday night into Friday. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level of 2,100 feet. Winds out of the northeast around 15 to 20 knots. Low levels quickly turning northwesterly and increasing from about 20 to 30 knots to 6,000 feet. Then winds fairly uniform from 9,000 to 16,000 feet this morning, anywhere from about 50 to 55 knots out of the west to northwest, and then seeing that westerly component at 95 knots, peaking at 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a boundary well south of the region across the Carolinas into the deep south, a disturbance up north of that's going to be moving towards our region as we have high pressure building in from the north that's funneling in some cooler air across the region today, and that will provide us with our chances of some wintry precipitation for Thursday night into Friday as this high pressure builds in and another area low pressure tracks off to our south. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we do have a hole in the clouds currently, just seeing some cirrus cloudiness out there this morning, seeing some low-level cloud cover across the tidewater as well as off to the west. Looking at the 12-kilometer NAM for the next few days. Here's this afternoon into this evening, and then overnight you can see, looks like north of the Delaware-Maryland line we'll see some wintry precipitation tonight. Looks like Salisbury may just start out as some sleet pellets or a few light snow showers, and then quickly change over to rain as we move into the overnight hours, as well as Wallops and move into the day Thursday. Looks like that rainfall will be primarily during the morning hours, and then we'll see a break during the afternoon before our secondary area of low pressure moves through the region as that high builds in a little bit farther to the south, and that should allow for that cold air to funnel in and giving us our chances of some snowfall. Latest model trends have been showing the snowfall across the northern Delmarva for our Wednesday night into Thursday, and then seeing our snowfall chances increase across the southern half of the Delmarva for Thursday night into Friday. So the central portion of the Delmarva could be seeing a little bit lower totals than we were expecting this morning, but we'll continue to monitor the trend in the models. Once we move into Friday afternoon, looks like the models are trying to pick up on another disturbance trying to filter into the region, or move into the region, I should say, and that's going to allow for this area low pressure just kind of meander off the Carolina coast and could be providing those areas off or away from the coastline some freezing rain for our Friday afternoon into the Friday nighttime period. And then on Saturday, we'll see another system moving through the region. More moisture with this system on Friday night into Saturday, and we'll see a good chance of rain showers along the coast on Saturday, and a chance of some freezing rain or sleets as we move away from the coast inland across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva during the morning, and then once we move in the afternoon, should turn to rain pretty much everywhere, or just plain rain and not freezing rain. Continue to monitor the situation as those areas in the central Delmarva for Saturday could be seeing a time period of some freezing rain, but right now it looks like that cold low-level air should erode, and we should see just plain rain across the Delmarva for our Saturday afternoon. So taking a look at a GFS model real quick for the next few days, you see the model brings that rain in tonight and then brings in the snowfall for our Thursday night and Friday, very similar to the NAM, but a little bit farther north with that snowfall on our Friday morning. And then once we move into Saturday, you can see it brings in a possibility of some freezing rain inland from the coast once again for Saturday. And then moving into Sunday, looks like a moderate air mass moves in the region before we see another disturbance moving in for Monday and a Tuesday, bringing a possibility of some early wintry mix and then quickly switching over to rain for our Tuesday afternoon. So taking a look at our Risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart for today, 42 degrees for a high, north to northeasterly winds switching east at 5 to 10 knots by this evening, and we'll see that slight chance of wintry mix starting this evening with a low around 34, then rising overnight into the mid-30s, and we'll see those rain showers very likely during the overnight hours near 100%. We'll see the ceilings as well near 500 feet for the overnight hours with that rain moving into the region. Taking a look at the 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions most likely today. Once we move past about 20 local, could see those ceilings lower, possibly below 3,000 feet, I should say, with the rain showers moving in likely after 2,200 local tonight. Slight chance we see that wintry mix from 20 local until 2,200 local. Then we'll just see rain showers in here, lower ceilings, possibly down to 500 feet for our Thursday morning. So taking a look at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, overcast rain likely during the morning, then a chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Wintry mix to snow likely by evening, and we'll see slightly breezy winds, a high of 39 degrees. Thursday night, overcast of snow likely, and a slight chance of drizzle or freezing drizzle. Snow accumulation looks to be about 1 to 3 inches across the Wallops region, a low of 30. And then for Friday, cloudy with a slight chance of lingering drizzle or freezing rain during the morning. Then remaining overcast and mostly cloudy. As I mentioned, the models are picking up on another disturbance moving through for Friday afternoon. We'll continue to monitor that if the freezing drizzle is able to linger a bit longer than the morning hours. See a high of 37 degrees on Friday. Best chances of rain obviously will come on Thursday, and Thursday night we'll see that chance of snow, and then the slight chances on Friday. So taking a quick look at the snowfall forecast for the map across the region, looking at 1 to 3 inches across the Wallops region, 3 to 5 across the central Delmarva. Right now, based upon the model trends, may have to lower this 3 to 5 down to possibly 1 to 3, but we'll continue to monitor the trends. Looks like the best chance of accumulating snowfall across the region that we've had in a few weeks. So taking a look at our 7-day planner, we'll have those cooler temperatures for Thursday and Friday in the 30s for highs, 90% chance of rain tonight, then seeing that wintry mix late, and a 95% chance of that wintry mix to snow. AM snow on Friday, that will be mainly during the overnight hours, and PM cloudy. Could see that freezing drizzle or drizzle during the afternoon hours on Friday, depending if that temperature is able to climb above 32 degrees. Right now it looks like it will, but could see some freezing drizzle, especially away from the coast on Friday morning into the afternoon hours. And we'll see that rainfall likely on Saturday. As I mentioned, could see some freezing rain early in the day away from the coast, high of 42. And then temperatures in the 40s for Sunday and Monday. Pattern continues to be volatile, as it looked like on Tuesday of or Monday of next week. Yesterday it was being a much colder air mass moving the region. Now it looks like it's just going to rain with temperatures in the 40s and a system moving through the region on Tuesday, an area low pressure possibly giving us warmer conditions, mild conditions in the 50s. Right now, go with the 50 degrees for a high and a 60% chance of rainfall for Tuesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.